Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And kakatapos lang ng Facebook Live natin na nagawa natin tong camouflage pattern. So I made it using Hero Paints. Thank you very much, Hero Paints, for sponsoring this video. So I used military green, gunship green, camo brown, and actually in light camo brown, i-apply pa lang natin dito. So magde-demo tayo kung paano natin i-apply yung last color for our camouflage pattern. So if you break down the camouflage pattern, it's just a combination of irregular shapes. So what we are going to do is to apply the first layer with shapes, random shapes like that, first layer, and then second layer on top of it. Pwede kayo mag-overlap, and then third layer, ganun din, fourth layer, and then this is the last layer. So since this is the lightest color, ito na yung last layer of the camouflage pattern. So, mas fine na siya and mas careful na rin ako sa pag-apply.